Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that many of you have been asking about. We're going to explore the most insane ways to make her regret ignoring you. So grab a seat and let's get started. Chapter 1. Confidence is key. Alright, let's be honest, nothing says you missed out like pure, unadulterated confidence. Think of it like this. You know when you walk into a room and you just feel good? That's the energy we're going for. Confidence is contagious. When you believe in yourself, it shows. People pick up on it and suddenly they're drawn to you. So how do you get this magical confidence? Well, it starts from within. Start by appreciating yourself, your strengths, your talents. Try something new, take a risk. The more you challenge yourself, the more you realize how capable you truly are. So go out there and own it. Chapter 2. Level up your life. Okay, so confidence is a great foundation, but let's talk about self-improvement. This isn't about becoming someone you're not. It's about being the best version of you. Think of it like this. You have this amazing garden, right? But maybe it needs a little TLC. Maybe you've always wanted to learn a new language, pick up a musical instrument, or master the art of baking the perfect sourdough bread. When you invest in yourself, it shows. Plus, think of all the cool new things you'll learn and experience. You might discover a hidden talent or passion you never knew you had. And trust me, when you're happy with who you are, it shows. And that's a quality that's irresistible. Chapter 3. Shine bright like a diamond. Okay, now that you're working on yourself and feeling confident, it's time to let your success shine. But remember, subtlety is key here. We're not talking about bragging or being boastful, no. This is about letting your accomplishments speak for themselves. Think of it like this. You just aced a big presentation at work, you're feeling proud, and you want to share that excitement. Instead of saying, I totally nailed it, you could casually mention how much you enjoyed the challenge and the positive feedback you received. See the difference? It's about letting your actions speak louder than words. Maybe you finally finished that marathon you've been training for, or you landed that dream job you worked so hard to get. The key is to be genuine and authentic. Let your happiness and success radiate naturally. Chapter 4. It's a party and you're invited. Alright, listen up, because this next tip is all about putting yourself out there and having a blast. Being social and active isn't just about meeting new people. It's about showing that you're living a full and exciting life. Think about it. Would you rather be with someone who's always stuck at home, or someone who's always up for an adventure, trying new things and laughing with their friends? Exactly. So go out there and say yes to new experiences. Join a club, take a dance class, volunteer for a cause you're passionate about. The possibilities are endless. Chapter 5. Social Media Superstar. Okay, let's talk social media because let's be real, it's a part of our lives. But instead of using it to stalk your ex or post sad selfies, let's turn it into a tool for good. Think of your social media as your own personal highlight reel. It's a chance to share your passions, your adventures, and your amazing personality with the world. Post pictures of yourself doing things you love, whether it's hiking in nature, trying out a new restaurant, or just goofing off with friends. The key is to be authentically you. Don't be afraid to show off your sense of humor, your intelligence, or your unique perspective. And remember, engagement is key. Respond to comments, like other people's posts, and participate in conversations. Chapter 6. The Original Social Network. You know, sometimes the best relationships are the ones we've had all along, our friends. Remember those amazing people who were there for you before, during, and after the relationship? Yeah, those guys. It's time to reconnect and rekindle those friendships. Call up your old buddies, plan a game night, go out for drinks, or just have a good old-fashioned heart-to-heart. Not only will it remind you of all the amazing people you have in your life, but it also shows that you have a strong support system. Plus, spending time with people who love and support you is the best way to boost your mood and remind you of your worth. So pick up the phone, send that text, and reconnect with those amazing friends who make life so much brighter. Chapter 7, Mystery Man. Alright, this next tip is all about adding a little bit of intrigue to your life. It's about creating an air of mystery that keeps people guessing and wanting to know more about you. Think of it like this. Have you ever read a book or watched a movie where you just couldn't wait to see what happened next? That sense of anticipation and excitement is what we're aiming for. That's the feeling we're going for. Being a little mysterious isn't about being aloof or playing games. It's about keeping things interesting and unpredictable. It's about adding a layer of depth to your personality. It's about showing that you have a life outside of your phone and social media. Engage in activities that you genuinely enjoy and let that passion shine through. So instead of replying to every text immediately or posting every detail of your day online, try holding back a little. Let there be moments of silence and gaps in communication. Leave a little something to the imagination. Let people wonder what you're up to and create their own stories about you. If she asks what you're up to, you can just say you're busy with something exciting or out and about. This keeps the conversation light and intriguing. The key is to be casual and nonchalant. Don't overthink it or try too hard. A little bit of mystery can go a long way in sparking her curiosity and making her regret ignoring you. It's all about balance and keeping things interesting. Chapter 8. Happiness is the best revenge. Okay, this next tip is probably the most important one of all. Stay positive and happy. It's not just about putting on a brave face. It's about genuinely finding joy in the little things. Look, I know it's easier said than done, especially when you're feeling hurt or rejected. Those moments can be incredibly tough, and it's okay to acknowledge your feelings. But trust me, wallowing in sadness or bitterness is only going to make you feel worse. It's like a dark cloud that follows you around, blocking out the sunshine. Remember, happiness is a choice. It's about making decisions that lead to a healthier, more fulfilling life. It's about focusing on the good in your life, appreciating the little things, and surrounding yourself with people who lift you up, those who truly care about your well-being. So put on your favorite playlist, watch a funny movie, go for a run, or even dance like no one's watching. Do whatever it takes to bring a smile to your face. Engage in activities that make you feel alive and happy. When you radiate positivity and joy, it's contagious. People around you will start to feel that energy too. People are drawn to those who exude happiness. It's a magnetic quality that attracts others. And honestly, isn't that the best revenge of all? To show that you're unbothered and thriving? To show her that you don't need her to be happy? That your happiness is independent of her presence? That you're thriving and living your best life, with or without her? Embrace your journey and let your happiness shine through. Chapter 9, Silence is Golden. Alright, this next tip might be the toughest one yet. Avoid direct contact. It might feel counterintuitive, especially when every fiber of your being wants to reach out. I know, it's tempting to reach out, to send that text, to try to accidentally bump into her. But resist that urge. But trust me, the best thing you can do right now is to give her space. Space allows emotions to settle and perspectives to clear. Remember, she's the one who's ignoring you, so let her come to you when she's ready. Patience is key here. Use this time to focus on yourself, your goals, and your happiness. Invest in activities that make you feel good and help you grow. The more you chase after her, the more you're pushing her away. It's a paradox, but it's true. It's like that old saying, if you love something, let it go. Letting go shows strength and confidence. If it comes back to you, it's yours forever. This time apart can be a test of true feelings. If it doesn't, then it was never meant to be. Acceptance is a powerful tool in moving forward. So take a deep breath, put down your phone, and resist the urge to reach out. Trust the process. Let her miss you. Let her realize what she's missing. Sometimes absence truly does make the heart grow fonder. Chapter 10, Onward and Upward. Okay, my friend. This last tip is all about moving on and living your best life. This isn't about making her jealous or proving a point. It's about you and your happiness. It's about realizing that you deserve someone who sees your worth, who appreciates you, and who wants to be a part of your amazing life. So go out there and do the things you love. Travel, explore, try new hobbies, spend time with people who make you laugh. Focus on your goals, your dreams, and your passions. The more you invest in yourself and your own happiness, the less you'll care about someone who doesn't see your value. Remember, you are worthy of love, respect, and attention. So go out there and live your best life. It's the best revenge, the best therapy, and the best way to find true happiness. You got this! Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You deserve to be happy, so go out there and create a life you love. See you in the next video.